Let me show you how I created this right in Photoshop. So the first thing I did was to create a new project and use a dimension of 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. Next up, I brought in my background and I resized to fill up the space. So I'm going to label this as background, just say BG. Then the next thing I did was to add a gradient layer. So I went down right here and go to create gradient. And then I click this drop down arrow and just select this, come to basics and select this one, or select the black to transparent. So I'm going to change here to black. Just follow my process. Yeah, that's it, and click OK. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to adjust this, just bring it up a bit and then click OK right here. Alright, so next up I'm going to bring in my image. So next up I'm going to add the logo. In order to save time, I'm just going to go to the other design and just copy. I'm just going to duplicate it. So this is the church logo, so I'm just going to duplicate, Ctrl J to duplicate, and then click and drag it to save time. Alright, so we are done with the logo. So next up I'm going to add this text at the top. So I'm going to take my text too and type in the word celebrating our Father. Alright, so next up I'm going to add this effect right here, which you can see right here. So I'm going to go to the other tab. Now what I need to do is to take my marquee tool, come here, take my marquee tool, select the one I want to add, just highlight it like so, and then press Ctrl J to duplicate, drop my marquee tool and drag it into my work area. Alright, so I'm going to change this color to something like white. So what I need to do right here is to come to the layer option, go to blending options, okay, and then I'm going to change it to I go to color overlay like so and change it to a white color, and then I'm just going to resize it. So next up I'm going to start adding my text. So I take my text tool and type in the word happy birthday. So I'm bringing it here like so. Alright, so next up I'm going to take my text tool once again and then type in this. Then I'm going to go for the font right here. So that's the font I'm using. You can just copy my exact use the exact font I used. Let me go for a semi bold. Yep, that's it. Alright, bring it here like so. Alright, so I'm gonna just change it to, let me change this to a bold font. So I'm gonna add the name, the last name of the client. So I'm gonna hold Alt, click and drag. Okay. I'm going to change it to a cream color, like this, and then extend it all the way, like so. Alright, so finally I'm going to add the date right here. Now I'm going to take my marquee tool once again, just select any of the ripped paper I want to, Ctrl Z, that didn't do that well. Take the marquee tool once again. Select the exact ripped paper I want to add, then Ctrl J to duplicate, drop my marquee tool, click and drag it straight up right here. And then I'm going to rotate it and bring it down like so. And then I'm going to come to the layer options, blending options right here, and I'm going to give it a stroke. Then I go to my stroke colors, go to stroke, and I'm going to add something like a brown color to the stroke. So I'm going to click this color and click this, and then go for something like a brown color. That's it. Alright, so this is it. And then I'm going to, just to save our time, I'm just going to come to this other one I did before, and then Ctrl J to duplicate, click the text and drag it all the way down to where I have this other one. So as you can see, we've added our text. So that's pretty much how to design a birthday flyer in Photoshop. So I'm sure you had value from this. Please like the video, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel because I post a ton of graphic design step-by-step tutorials such as this. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.